So these are the ingredients for Aval Puttu. So this is thick poha, and this is grated jaggery, equal amount. 1 cup of poha and 1 cup of grated jaggery, and this is elaichi powder, and this is haldi for the color, and this is desiccated coconut, or you can take even fresh coconut, and this is ghee, just a little amount of ghee for the flavor. So this is all we need. Now this is the time to roast this poha or this aval. This is thick poha, so roast it till red. Just dry roasting, there's no ghee added. Just dry roast till the poha is red in color. Take care not to burn it. My flame is in medium. So the poha is roasted to a golden color, not red maybe, to just roast it to a golden color. Yeah. This roasted poha is cool now, that is it has come to the room temperature. So now we need to grind it in a mixer jar to a coarse powder. So this is the powdered poha. We roasted the poha to a golden color and we ground it in the mixi. So this is how it will look. So we'll go to the next stage. So now let's add this turmeric powder or haldi for color, just a pinch, and then now this is hot water. So keep adding spoon by spoon and toss it. Don't add all the hot water all at once. Just keep adding little by little and keep tossing. Yeah. So I'm still adding spoons of water, tablespoons of hot water, and just toss it. Yeah. So this is the powdered poha tossed in hot water. So I used up almost all the water, that is it may require little more than 1 cup of hot water. Just keep ready 1¼ cup of hot water and then toss it and bring it to this consistency, and then we'll go to the next stage. So now I'm adding the jaggery. This is 1 cup of jaggery, and then just some water to cover it. So now we need to bring this to a softball consistency. Yeah, so let's wait for it to reach that stage. Now keep cooking the jaggery syrup till you reach the softball consistency. So this is the softball consistency of the jaggery. So let's test it and see. Test the syrup in cold water. You should be able to roll into a soft ball, so that's the right time. Yeah, so now let's go to the next stage. We are adding this powdered poha to the jaggery syrup. Remember, we tossed the powdered poha in hot water, so just toss it into this jaggery. Yeah. So now let's see what happens. So the entire jaggery syrup is incorporated into the poha. So this is the stage. So now my gas is in medium flame, so let's add flavoring. So this is elaichi powder. I think we can add it now. Yeah. and then this is the coconut. Yeah. So keep stirring. So now it's time to add the dry fruits. So this is toasted cashew nuts and dates, chopped dates, seedless dates. So just toss them in. Yeah. Wow. Looks yummy. Now let's add this final element and the best part of ghee. Yeah, so this is added. This is optional, but it makes it moist. So see, the flame is in medium or even medium low. It's not even in medium. So at one stage it will become crumbly. Yeah, and as it gets colder, this puttu will become, crumbly and like breadcrumbs. So after an hour later, this looks so crumbly, so soft. So this is the consistency that we need, and we can garnish it with more coconut. So this is the final picture, and this is how the final puttu, Aval Puttu will look like, and it's a very good dish to serve during Navratri time, and it's a Vrat ka Khana too. It has got nothing harmful. It's very good. It's very healthy. As I told you, you can avoid the ghee too. So do try this and give your feedback.